Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video. Let me start by saying please watch till the end. This is a really fast and easy side dish that you're gonna wanna make. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and share with your friends, like and comment. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a really simple side dish, which is artichoke bruschetta, which is packed with flavor. People love it everywhere I take it. It's so good and it's so easy. And it can be a side dish, it can be an appetizer, it could even be like lunch because it's almost like a sandwich because it's bruschetta, so it's like an open-faced sandwich, kind of, sorta. So we're gonna start with a food processor. Okay, and I'll go over ingredients really quick. I have 1 can of artichoke hearts, non-GMO, half a cup of finely chopped red onion, some fresh basil leaves, some fresh Parmesan cheese, sun-dried tomatoes, these are the julienne cut, soaked in oil, some mayonnaise, Parmesan cheese, the dry parm, salt, pepper, and some dried oregano. That's it. Oh, and some bread or rolls of some sort. These are my homemade rosemary rolls. They're delicious. I don't have a video yet for these, but you can find the recipe for them at my Food 52. The link that's going to give you this artichoke bruschetta recipe also has all my recipes, and I will have the rolls on there as well if you want to make them. They're really easy and they're delicious. So we're going to start with the food processor. And everything that needs to be chopped, we can put in there. I could have put the onion in there, but I chopped it by hand. So let's say about 10 basil leaves. There's about 4 there. Okay, I'm grabbing some together. So about 10 fresh basil leaves first. Okay, and then the artichokes, which I'm gonna strain. Okay, so the strained artichokes go in next. And then the sun-dried tomatoes. You want to just grab the tomatoes, not the oil. And you're going to put 1/3 of a cup of these, which I'm eyeballing. Okay, so those 3 ingredients we're going to go ahead and get finely chopped. Nice and quick. Okay, so get yourself a nice large mixing bowl and scrape that mixture in. Nice colors, the reds, the greens. It's like Christmas. Okay. Next is the mayo, and I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of mayo. The red onions, some fresh pepper, several grinds, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, one teaspoon of good sea salt, and the dried Parmesan, half a cup, which I'm eyeballing again. Okay, and then we give that a nice solid mix. Okay, so that's ready to go. Now, what I do is lightly toast the bread first. This is because we want the bruschetta to be really crispy, and sometimes if you just pop it in the oven, it's not going to get crispy enough. So a light toasting of the bread. Okay, and then once that's done, we're gonna spread the bruschetta on, put some fresh Parmesan cheese, and it's gonna go under the broiler, which I have my oven preheating right now, just for a few minutes until it's nice and brown and golden and bubbly. And I am telling you, you're in for a treat. This is really gourmet. It's really simple, as you can see, and tried and true, guys, tried and true recipes. If you haven't watched my videos, if this is the first one that you're watching, you may not know I have 7 kids, so that's a lot of palates to please, and I am here to share with you recipes that my family has loved, and I have made for, some of these I've made 10, 20 years now, over and over again, and they're hits. So just trust me, I'm trying to help you guys and make your job easier. So please make the recipes and please let me know what you think. Okay, so I've got the bread lightly toasted. Now we're going to go ahead and spread this topping on. Okay, about a heaping tablespoon on each piece. And if maybe you're one person or maybe you're just a couple people, if you want to just make enough for like one night's meal, you can easily store the topping, in the fridge for several days and then just make it as needed. I'll get the rest of these topped. All right, so once those are topped, we're going to just sprinkle a little bit of the fresh Parmesan on each piece. Okay, and now they're going to go under the broiler until they're nice and golden. Okay, so I broiled the bruschetta a total of 6 minutes, and as you can see, it's nice and the cheese is like browned, golden, and delicious, and looks and smells fantastic. I hope you guys will make it. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day. Like, comment, and subscribe. Take care.